everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn to make instant Rakhi. This is all what you need for making Rakhi. If you haven't been able to go to market and buy a Rakhi for your brother, so this is the easiest and the fastest Rakhi that you can make at home. So we'll be making main part of Rakhi with hot glue gun. So use hot glue gun on some metal sheet or metal box, because only then we'll be able to peel off what we have made.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough,
Peel off carefully and only when it completely gets dry.
see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep way.
So now I'm coloring it with permanent marker. You can use sketch. If you are not having marker, you can use glass colors as well, or you can leave it as it is if you want.
Inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
I hope you like this idea of making Rakhi and you're putting some efforts into it, and efforts are always cherished. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.